Alright guys, welcome back. Got another kit going out. This one a 4-ring, but it's 1 row per ring. These are still the double LEDs. They have about 75 LEDs per strip, depending on the diameter. This one's going out for 2018 BMW. So this is just, he wanted something basic, something simple, but he still wanted the chasing. And so we did it on aluminum rings, 1 row each, as you can see. So right here, we're in the final testing phase. Make sure everything works like it's supposed to. And as soon as I'm done with this video, I'm going to go dump it on the hard drive and then get these boxed up and ready to go tomorrow. This will probably be one of the last kits I'm able to get out just before Christmas. I'll be out of town for a couple of days this weekend going forward, like most people. So you guys have a safe holiday. If you are looking for a set of ring lights or body kit lights, grill lights, whatever, interior, exterior, there'll be a link in the video description below to the website where you can get some prices and see some options. If there's something not there that you want or have seen elsewhere on another vehicle or something like that, just shoot me a message. I promise I can build it. Alright? And again, I'll build it cheaper than anybody else. I mean, I just don't have a 10,000 square foot shop. I don't have rent to pay. I don't have extra water, gas, and light utilities to pay. I don't have 10 plus employees. So I can afford to do it a lot cheaper and give the same quality, the same great customer service, the same fast shipping, you know, that a lot of your larger guys can do. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.